Hi, I'm Riley Teeter, and I'm going to show you how to oscillate. Now, first of all, oscillation is the rotation of the table into and out of inversion. It's kind of like a rocking motion, and it's great because it creates a pumping action in the spine that really helps to accelerate the relief. So a few ways to do it. One is using arm weight. You can use one or both arms. I kind of like to do both and just move them together very slowly. I like to combine it with my breath, so breathe in, breathe out. You're going to find it's an amazing, relaxing feeling. Another way to do it is to incorporate the traction handles. You can see that really I'm lengthening my spine by using manual traction, and that lengthening of the spine is what's moving the weight towards the head of the table and actually rotating it down. So again, this is a pumping action, and you can use your breath here in this type of oscillation as well. Another way to do it is to use the knees. And if you just want to just purely relax, this is a great way. Put your hands at your chest and just bend your knees a little bit and then straighten. Again, anything that's moving your weight headward or footward is what's rotating the table, because this is like a teeter-totter, and that weight distribution will rotate it. So any way you want to do it, arms, legs, or actually manually lengthening your spine will do it. And it's a wonderful, relaxing feeling. So give oscillation a try. And if you have any questions or need any other tips, stick with us here at Teeter, because we've got your back.